Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss ternary operator or conditional operator in Java. Before starts this lecture, let us try to recall what have we discussed in previous lecture. What is the use of unary minus? When do we use increment or decrement operator? What is the difference between prefix and postfix versions of the increment and decrement operators? Can we apply increment or decrement operators for character values? We discussed clearly all these points in lecture 23. If you haven't watched that, please watch that video. The link is given in the description box. After watching this video, you will be able to know what is ternary operator, how many parts ternary operator has, what are the different symbols we used in ternary operator, can we write nested ternary operator. As part of the operators concept, we covered all these operators, and in the lecture 23 we covered unary operators also. So in this lecture we are going to cover ternary operator. We are calling this operator as a ternary operator because it works on three operands. Operand may be a value, may be a variable, or may be an expression also. As we are using three operands, this is called ternary operand, where ternary means three. This ternary operator is also called conditional operator because we are using conditions as part of this ternary operator. That's why this ternary operator is also called conditional operator. This is the syntax of the ternary operator. As we covered, it has three parts, three operands. Syntax is variable assignment, expression 1, then question mark, expression 2, colon, expression 3. Semicolon is as usual as a terminator for this statement. And one more important point is, the expression 1 must be a Boolean expression that may returns either true or false. Depending on the value of this Boolean expression, the final value of this variable will be decided. If this expression 1 returns true, the expression 2 value will be assigned to the variable. If expression 1 value is false, as we covered already, expression 1 must be Boolean expression. If the Boolean expression returns false, this expression 3 or operand 3 value will be assigned to the variable. This is how the ternary operator will be executed. See this example, you can understand clearly. We are declaring two variables a, b with 10 and 20 values respectively, and one more variable, third variable, that is maximum. So in the 8th statement we are implementing ternary operator or conditional operator. So this is variable part, maximum is a variable assignment. This is conditional part. As we covered, expression 1 must be a Boolean expression, a greater than b, that may returns either true or false depending on the values of a, b. In this case, a greater than b, nothing but 10 greater than 20 is false. As we covered already, if this Boolean expression returns false, this expression 3 value or operand 3 value will be assigned to this variable. So in this case, the b value will be assigned to the variable max. What is the b value? 20. Now 20 will be assigned to the variable max. In the output statement, system.out.println, I want to print that max value. Let us execute this. See now, max value is 20 because in this case it is false. The Boolean expression value is false. That's why third operand will be assigned to this variable. For example, if the Boolean value is true, let me change this a less than b. So if we write the Boolean expression as A less than B, in this case it is true, right? Where A is 10, B is 20 na? So Boolean expression value is true. Expression 1 returns true. In this case, second operand value will be assigned to this variable. So in this case, max value becomes A value, that is 10. Let us execute this. Now observe, max value is 10 only. Clear, I hope. Check your knowledge, what you have learned from this video. What is ternary operator? How many parts it has? What are the different symbols used in it? Can we write nested ternary? Coming to the fourth point, we can create the nested ternary operators also. The meaning of this is, for example, in expression 2, you can write one more ternary operator. In expression 3 place, you can write one more ternary operator. Okay? Those nested ternary operators will be evaluated first. Then finally, the outer ternary operator will be evaluated. If this video is useful to you, please subscribe our channel, watch the videos, like and share our videos. Thank you.